Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to practicehouse.com. And in this channel, you will get a lot of practices, programs, or mini projects that you can practice by yourself and you can increase your skill level up. Okay, so today we will practice with an array in Java. So, what is array? Array normally is a collection of similar type of data. So array is an object that contains elements of a similar data type. Okay, so don't talk too much. Let's get to the practice. So for single dimensional array, you can declare arrays like integer and then square bracket and then your array name. So is single d array and you can assign the value is directly here is like using the second bracket and you can put the value, let's say 2 3 or 4. You can put that value like this, or you can do like this, that you have an integer type of array and this name is let's say I use the short form is the array, and you can use this new keyword and put that integer your array, let's say 5. You can, this array can store 5 values. Okay, so then you have to manually initialize, or you have to manually set the value for this single dimensional array. It's like is the array and the 0 number index got, let's say 1, and similarly you have to set that value. I copy and paste. Okay, so here is the 0 number index, is the, sorry guys, is the 1 number index, 2 3 and 4. So 0 to 4 is 5, and here we are putting value 0 1 3 or 4 and 5. So in a this way or in a this way, you can assign your array and you can store the value in your array. So when you want to print it out, or you want to see the output, so now you want to see the output of this array, or you want to see your data. So normally what you can do, you can see out here, you can see out like you want to see the single dimensional array, and what one number index is storing the value. So you can just print it out and you can see the one number index is here because it's 0 and it's 1, and you can see the value 3 is here. Or you want to see the full array of how many whatever is value is here, all the value you want to see, you can do you need to use a for loop, and you just use, let's say, integer. So you just use anything, like say I equals to 0, and then I is less than, you already knows that you have a 3 value, so you can use 3, or you can use single dot or single d array dot length. So it will detect the length of your array. It's the same thing. Then your I will be increment with the increment operator is called I plus plus plus. Then okay, in this for we need to use a sys out, and we will use here print, only just print method. So in a single line we want to see our data. So what is that? Single d array. So single d array, and we are giving I. So whatever I is 0 is going here, I is 1 is going here, I is 2 is going here, and then we just use a empty string, so it will looks good, right? Okay, so 2 3 and 4, isn't it that? So this is the single dimensional array, and you can do a lot of things with array. Let's say you want to find out the minimum value for these things. So how to find out this minimum value? So you can, let's say you just use the integer minimum equals to what array we are using, single d array. So in a single d array, whatever value is in a 0 index, it's minimum. Okay, so now 2 is minimum. Okay, and then we use a if statement is here. Let's say if the minimum is greater than whatever single D array I is holding. If is greater than, then minimum equals to this value. Either is it's not greater than, that means is the minimum value is the same things. Okay, so we're just putting these things, and then we can use, just leave it there. We can use this out. We can use this out here, and we can say minimum value is in this array is minimum value in this array is, then we can put a colon here, and then plus, and this is our minimum. So let's check it out, guys. Here we go, minimum value in this array is 2. Okay, so we already knows how to play with the array, a single dimensional array, isn't it, guys? Okay guys, have fun, and the next video I will talk with you in a multi-dimensional array and how can you play with a multi-dimensional array and all those things. So this is try to practice and try to play with these things, and all this code will be available in www.practicehouse.com. and if you like this video, just show me, click the thumbs up button, and if you want to have a question, just comments below, and if you want to get update from my channel, just subscribe it, guys. Okay, thank you and bye bye. I will talk to you in the next video, man. Bye.